Every great design starts with a story, the user's story. Before we add colors or fonts, we need clarity. Who is using your app? What are they doing? And how do they move from one screen to another? That's where AI become your creative partner. In today's video, we will map a complete user journey, turn it into wireframes, and bring it all inside Figma, step by step. By the end of this video, you will have your very own app flow ready to prototype. Time to think like a UX designer. Let's ask AI to help us map the journey. Open your AI chat and type this prompt carefully. Within seconds, AI lists screens, splash, login, home, restaurant, cards, checkout, and many more. Beautiful, right? That's your user flow in words. Copy those names, open Figma, and create one frame for each screen. Think of these frames like empty pages of a storybook. AI will soon fill them with content. Yes, here is a tip for you guys. Rename each frame clearly, home, card, checkout, to keep your canvas organized. Now let's give structure to our story. Press Ctrl or Command plus backslash in Figma. Search your AI plugin, for example, Wireframer or Wizard, and paste your next prompt. Click Run and watch the magic. AI instantly creates rectangle shapes, icons, and even the rating option too. Drag to adjust spacing and group elements using auto layout. AI handles the base structure. Repeat this for each screen, menu, card, checkout. As you generate them, connect screen visually in a horizontal flow. You will notice how AI remembers your styles and reuse consistent shapes and margin. In 5 minutes, you have sketched a whole app that would normally take hours. That's not cheating, that's design efficiency. And there you go. You just planned and built a complete user journey with AI inside Figma, from text prompt to frame. AI helps you see ideas visually in minutes. But remember, AI is your assistant, not the artist. You control the flow, the experience, and the emotion behind the design. And now your homework time is up. Ask AI to create a user flow for a fitness tracking app. Start from welcome screen to workout summary. Build wireframes for at least 3 screens and keep a consistent layout. Add connectors between frames using Figma's prototype mode just for practice. In the next video, we will take this wireframe and add colors, typography, and style guides. Basically turn sketches into beautiful visual design with AI help. Keep your Figma open because the real creativity starts now.